Intro. Well, don't lose hope because I've got 5 tips for creating killer prototypes in Figma that will elevate your design game. 1. Use Figma's auto layout feature to easily organize individual elements and create consistent designs. Are you tired of creating mediocre prototypes that don't impress your clients or stakeholders? 2. Make your designs feel more realistic by incorporating animations and interactions that simulate the final product. 3. Take advantage of Figma's plugin marketplace to speed up your design process and add advanced functionalities. 4. Collaborate effectively with your team by using Figma's commenting tool, allowing for seamless feedback and communication. 5. Lastly, don't underestimate the power of user testing. Gather feedback and insights on your prototype to make necessary changes and improvements. There you have it, 5 tips for creating killer prototypes in Figma. Start implementing these tips and see your designs take off.